The projects being undertaken here at Morphettville Racecourse is a full irrigation upgrade. That incorporates a new pump station, all new main lines and sprinkler upgrades. The current system is a PVC mainline. We are replacing it with a HDPE Poly ranging from 315, 160 and 110, which will have much more longevity for the racecourse. We chose Vinidex as our irrigation partner on this project as a result of their service, their ability to supply the materials in the time frame provided and their price. We love their product, not only because their quality is fantastic, but because they are environmentally friendly. For this project, the delivery times were extremely important. We had a very short window to be able to deliver all of the materials and also start the project. Vinidex were fantastic with their deliveries. They were happy to wait until we could safely get out onto the track. All of the drivers were more than happy to be patient and deliver and then jump back in their trucks and drive back to Melbourne. Worked with Vinidex on many projects in the past, and the quality of Vinidex pipe is always exceptional. Couldn't be any happier with Vinidex.